again today across the country, not quite in the same place that it was a couple of days ago. Now the rain has eased off over Wales, but you can see this nasty hook of bright colours on the weather radar. That's some really quite heavy rain which will move back across Wales through the rest of this afternoon and into the evening. On the other end of that hook, we've got a broad band of quite heavy rain from Morecambe Bay across the Pennines towards the Humber. That'll be easing northwards through the rest of the afternoon. So those two areas at risk from local flooding and particularly dangerous driving conditions. Northern England now, and later on this afternoon I think we can expect some particularly heavy rain across North Wales. You can see now that the rain has cleared away from southeast England and East Anglia. We're seeing a bit of a change here. Much brighter skies coming in, and also quite a strong wind, a strong west to southwesterly wind blowing some fairly blustery showers in across the West Country, and that wind will pick up right the way along the English Channel through the rest of today and overnight tonight. In fact, you can see that happening on the wind arrows here, and you'll also notice fairly stiff wind coming in off the North Sea, making it dull and grey, and once again quite a raw feel today on the eastern side of Scotland. But where we have the little swirl, that's where the little area of low pressure is that's bringing the wet weather, and that will gradually be creeping up across the borders this afternoon. Perhaps even some heavy bursts of rain starting to fringe and trim and down. Another mild day, temperatures in the south around 13 or 14 degrees, still pretty wet overnight tonight, but temperatures holding up fairly well, apart from in the Highlands of Scotland, where some breaks in the cloud could allow them to dip down to around about 4 degrees. The low pressure area through Saturday still with us, but then on Sunday it starts to drift away, and we start to see northerly winds moving in across the country, and of course that means it is going to turn a wee bit colder during the second half of the weekend. The rain will be heading south on Sunday with something wintry in the north.